This 2023 Forest River XLR Micro Boost 29 XLRE is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Wabash, in 46,992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 87 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, Murphy bed, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.